A Yoobtail TV. Nursery rhymes.
Quack, quack in the morning light, Mama duck leads with feathers bright. 4 little ducklings in a row, wiggling tails as they go, go, go. Splash, splash in the pond so blue, tiny feet dancing in the dew. Mama calls, stay close to me, happy as a family can be. Quack, quack, flap your wings, feel the joy that sunshine brings. Jump in water, don't be shy, little ducks love to fly. Oh my! One little duck goes quack, quack loud, trying to impress the crowd. 2 little ducks spin around, making funny splashing sound. 3 little ducks chase a bug, slip and slide with a muddy hug. 4 little ducks laugh and play, having fun the whole long day. Mama duck says, come along, singing sweet, a gentle song. Through the grass and near the tree, stay together. 1, 2, 3. Quack, quack, flap your wings, feel the joy that sunshine brings. Jump in water, don't be shy, little ducks love to fly high. Raindrops fall, plip, plop, plip, ducklings take a happy dip. Puddle jumping, what a sight, dancing in the rain delight. Sun comes back, rainbow bright, shining colors in the light. Mama smiles, proud and true, look how brave my ducklings grew. Quack, quack, swim around, listen to the happy sound. Life is fun when we all play, ducks together and every day. Evening comes, sky turns gold, little ducklings getting cold. Mama wraps them in her wing, softly now she starts to sing. Close your eyes, my little four, dream of rivers, dream of shore. Tomorrow brings another day, full of fun and quacky play. Quack, quack, soft and slow, time